What creates a great workplace culture that allows everyone to contribute towards the organization's growth and strive for a common purpose? I heard you say great leaders. The world has often looked to its leaders for motivation in difficult times and for guidance in solving complex problems. And effective leadership in the modern business world calls for you to be aware of the evolution of leadership over the years. Here are 3 ways in which leadership has changed over the last decade. Leadership is now people-oriented. Just a few years back, remote working was an abstract idea, and managers would take decisions with little to no input from their employees. The focus was on getting the task done under any situation. As micromanagement is relatively difficult in remote settings, trust in employees has become a significant tenet of new leadership. There has been a marked shift to a more collaborative style of leadership. Employee input is now viewed as integral to the decision-making process. Modern leadership is all about empowerment. During the time of Industrial Revolution, it was erroneously assumed that most employees cannot think for themselves. Modern teams are run with a more integrative leadership style. Teams today are different from what they were in the past. They are far more distinct, dispersed, digital, and dynamic. And a modern leader has the ability to inspire and empower their teams to become the very best version of themselves. He or she can empower their teams to believe in the impossible. Today's leaders are active participants. Earlier forms of leadership thrived on work delegation. Managerial work was expected to be more about assigning work to different teams and following up on progress. Even though delegation continues to be an important part of leadership today, modern leaders are much more invested in their teams and companies. Leadership is the skill of influence, and is the most important skill that any human being can master. To be able to influence the thoughts, the emotions, and the actions of another human being is what leadership is. And to be able to influence anyone else, the first person you need to learn to influence is yourself.